I'm back with a new video. This time I tried doing the Sonam Kapoor Vogue 90's Bollywood makeup look. I am not a makeup artist and I'm just a beginner. I'm trying and making mistakes with makeup, so I thought it would be a fun video replicating whatever she did. Obviously, I tried to put in the products that I had with me and not the ones that she was using. And let me know if you like this look, if you think I did a good job. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into this video. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, like, share and subscribe, share it with your friends, and don't forget to let me know if you think I did a good job. Also, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.